Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got the July Allure Beauty Box. This is a little crushed, but I don't think that's gonna cause any trouble. I did cut it open. Let's see what's inside. Y'all, I don't think I've seen any spoilers. I've been so busy lately. I haven't really been much looking at that. Let's see, when you open it up, it looks like this, and you have a brochure. This is $29.99, and that includes your shipping. And if you buy it by the year, you can usually get a really good deal. I'm going to show you really quick what I'm wearing. I have on my lips the Clinique Chubby Stick. This is in Super Strawberry. So this is more like a balm, a lip balm, but it's got a lot of good color to it. So feels great on my lips. It's been very, very hot. So, I just like to keep my lips moisturized. I think most of us do, so. And then on my eyes, y'all, I have on this palette. This is Pat McGrath. This was something that, I don't remember exactly where I got it, but it was on a really good sale. Trust me, I wouldn't have. I think Sephora maybe had it at like really reduced. Because when I got it, a couple of my friends got it as well. It's the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership Mega Celestial Nirvana, and then on the front it says Artistry Palette, and it is, her palettes are way expensive. I want to say this might have been originally $85-ish, and I probably paid like $25 or $35 for it, and I didn't like this palette, but because I didn't like it, I didn't really use it, but I have been trying to use it a little more. I've been playing around, see my silly stuff. It has a lot of fallouts, but it really, it's a weird color story, but you can do a lot with it. There's some neutrals, there's some shimmers, there's some mattes. I don't really use a lot of mattes, but what's on my eyes is mostly mattes today. I just was having some fun. So anyway, I'm giving it like a second try, so to speak, and I've been liking it more. So in our July Allure, everybody gets the same thing. It seems to, I think every single month now for a while, we've been able to pick something. So when I say that though, it isn't a choice of like, a shampoo or a moisturizer or a lipstick. It is, for example, a lipstick, and there's 4 different colors, and you get to choose your color. So they've been doing that for a little while now. I think that's the new way they're doing it. And the Allure Beauty Box is guaranteed 3 full-size items and 6 items altogether. So you get 3 deluxe samples. Sometimes we get more than 3 full-size. So let's see what we got. It says Sweaty Season. So how this little brochure is very nice. It tells us the different directors write. Maybe the beauty director always writes the first page, but these are recommended items from the Allure magazine staff. That's what this is all about. So it says, as a former Florida girl, I live for the summer. I'm my best self in the hot, humid climate. Wow. I am my worst self in the hot, humid climate. So she goes on, tells about stuff. You might have already heard it already, or maybe not. But our first item is going to be that choice item. So they send an email and they tell you to go online and check it out. And we got to choose this Makeup by Mario. This is a soft sculpt bronzing and shaping serum. It came in light, medium, or dark. And then you chose the color that you wanted. And this right here, it costs $36. So the box is $29.99. So this is paid for the box. It's sealed on the top. So what I like to do, my little tricks, is I open the bottom. I got the light medium because I don't wear bronzers. And if I were to wear a bronzer, it probably would be light. But the light medium, I think, is more everybody else out there, most people out there anyway. So I get that, and I can put this in a giveaway. So it's really pretty. Let's see, it looks like it needs to be shaken up a little bit. It's beautiful, but look how white I am, y'all. I don't know what generation, but they weren't doing contouring and bronzing when I was a kid. So I didn't learn how to do that, and it's not something that I really care to learn. So because I don't go out in the sun, you know, I'm very light skinned. So this is a beautiful bottle. It looks like glass, but I believe it's plastic, and look how pretty it is. It's got the silver, and it's got a pump. Let's see how that might, there we go. This unscrews here. I don't want to unscrew that, but there's a nice pump. And then it's very, very pretty packaging by Mario. And that says that why you'll love it. It's a bronzer. It's a serum. Oh, it's a serum too. I didn't really pay attention to the name of it. Leave it to celebrity makeup artist Mario, and then his big long last name. Dedivanovic, I would say is how you say that, to create a product so innovative we don't even know how to describe it. But we'll certainly try. Made with a hydrating combination of hyaluronic acid and vitamin E and a touch of mica, M-I-C-A for shine. This lightweight liquid is a jack of all base makeup trades. So it's really beautiful. So it tells you how to use it and all that. So it says it adds an instant radiance to my already warm glow. That's what Bianca Richards says, the social media manager. So I'm just gonna grab stuff out of here and we'll go from there. Here is a makeup sponge. Look how cute that's wrapped. I love that. This is Gloat makeup sponge in black. I love that little sealable package. Let's see, here's the front of it so you can see that. Well, here is their logo, and then on the back it tells you Gloat makeup sponge, non-latex foam. That's really nice. It's cruelty-free, latex-free. It's a percentage, I can't see what percentage it is, of profits go to mental health initiatives. Very, very nice. It is, they give you a 20% off code to shop with them. So it has no latex. So, you know, some people are allergic to latex. So this is very nice. Oh, it feels fabulous. It's a really nice sponge. There it says Gloat on there. This is a $12 value. And temperatures are rising, humidity is thickening, but preventing the dreaded summer makeup melt off just got easier with this teardrop shaped tool. I like this shape a lot. Can you see it? See, because it, you know, against there, it's black, so it's a teardrop shape. I like this shape. This I find easy to use. You know, so, and I will use the back of it too for some things. So that's nice. I like that. $12 value. Oh, you know, they do have, don't miss the Reader's Choice Awards box. I think you have to be a member of Allure. You can shop on the Allure Beauty Box website. They have a box that has over $270 worth of items for $55. There's a lot of nice stuff in there. This is what's in it. But again, I think you have to be a member. I think if you're not a member, sometimes they might sell it to you, but maybe $75. I'm thinking I heard that somewhere. And then they also have a K Beauty box. They're showing that here. So let's see what else we got. This is Looped Just For You TIY. This is another cute packaging. Look at how cute that is. This is $17 for a 2-pack. I think let's see if I can, it opens up at the zip so you can seal it back up. Oh, it's super cute in there. Let's see. There's a little percentage off here. It says 13 times stronger and 2 times stretchier. Buttery soft. These, let's see what, it says DIY pre-tied hair ties. I don't know. Look at that. This is tied together like this. I love the color. Love the hot pink there, the magenta, whatever. It's like bracelet stacking for your hair. But this multi-ring rope is actually meant to be used as a single elastic to hold updos in place no matter your hair type. They are super stretchy, it says. I don't know. I think this would work really well with thick hair. Not so sure. But Okay, it is $17 for the 2-pack. So this is a full size. There's 2 in here. So and it's $17 value. So as you see, I don't have the hair for it, but somebody will like that. Okay, and then we do have some Mighty patches. This is a 6-pack. There's 6 in here. This is the original Hero Mighty Patch Original. So this is for blemishes. And a couple of y'all have told me you can use this on mosquito bites. What else? Cold sores. A couple of y'all have told me things like that. Cystic breakout bringing you down. Don't let it. Instead, cover it. Then kill it. With one of these nearly invisible stickers, and the mini bandage will suck the life out of your zit, not your mood. So this is $13 for 36 patches. So there's 6 in this. So that's 1/6 of the box. So about a little over $2 value here. So if you got a box, you'd have 6 of these sleeves in the box. So that is very nice. Okay, what else we got? I see that we have some Earth Harbor in here. Here's Earth Harbor. This says Earth Harbor Obscura Night Repair Concentrate. It says it has the editor says it has a quick dry down and layers well. This is $38 for 30 mLs. This looks like it's probably full size. Yeah, full size. So here's the packaging of the Earth Harbor, and this is black. Earth Harbor is like all natural and all it's really good stuff. $38, full size product. I don't know that there's anything that I've tried from Earth Harbor that I haven't liked. It's black. It looks like black ink. It's very watery though. So, yeah, it is black. It says, if the madness that is 2026 has been wreaking havoc on your skin, well, same, but there's a fix for that. No matter your concerns, dryness, dullness, or a dreary disposition, a few drops of this earthy scented elixir made with nourishing black cumin, brightening linoleic acid, and fine line fighting bakuchiol applied at bedtime should do the trick. Okay, so it's a dropper bottle, which Earth Harbor has a lot of dropper bottle products. So that's really cool. And then we have, this is Biotech Blowouts. What does that say? Goddess Maintenance Biotech Blowout Hair Mask. This is $40 for 50 mLs. This is full size. It says you don't need a blowout to stop the benefits of this, to reap the benefits of this leave-in treatment, but it doesn't hurt. Actually, it's encouraged. This is a nice tube. It feels like suede, so you're not going to drop it when you're using it. 1.7 fluid ounces, 50 mLs. Leave-in restorative mask. After shampooing and conditioning, rake in a dime-sized dollop of this lightweight cream from mid-lengths to ends while hair is still slightly damp. Then grab your blow dryer and dry and smooth strands, or skip the heat altogether and air dry without damage. That's nice. But you see, my hair, you know, that's for longer hair or maybe a thicker hair. They want you to start. They don't want you to go at the scalp. So, you know, from here to here, I probably won't use it, but it sounds like a good product. $45 value. $40, sorry. So, y'all, this is what we got. We got our full-size Mario, $32. Our full-size hair blowout, $40. Our full-size Earth Harbor, which I think, what was that, $38? And then we got, this is full-size. The sponge is $12. There's a lot of value in this box. We got the sample of the Mighty Patches. And hey, we got 5 full sizes this time. Because we got this as well. This is a full size. So we got 5 full sizes and 1 sample size in this box. That's really great. It's exciting when you get more than 3. I like it. So anyway, but you know, like, I won't use this. I will use this sponge though. I really like this sponge. It feels really good in my hands. So what do y'all think of the Allure Beauty Box? And do you get this? Is it something that you want to get? Okay. I was telling you all about that award. Here's another card about that box. And this does say you can buy this for $85. If you're a member, you can get it for $55. So you know what, y'all? That right there is worth joining because your first box is $29.99. So if you join up for $29.99, which is all kinds of deals, you'll get $5 or $10 or $15 off that first box if you look for the deals. I have a link below, but it doesn't get you anything special. And then you pay $55 for this box instead of the $85. It's like getting that subscription for free, that first month subscription for free. You can cancel if you don't want to go further. But this is a great box, lots of products. Anyway, y'all, my commercial for Allure, I'm done. I love the Allure box. I think it's really worth it. So y'all take care and count your blessings. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. And thanks for stopping by and watching my Allure box.